Tonight, we gather for the third Philippine Life Insurance Advisors Award. An evening dedicated to honoring the passion, excellence, and remarkable achievements of the life insurance advisors.
Ngayong Philippine Life Insurance Advisors Awards, ipinagdiriwang natin hindi lang ang tagumpay, kundi ang malasakit na siyang puso ng ating propesyon. Bilang mga life insurance advisors, pinapatunayan natin na ang tagumpay ay hindi lamang tungkol sa atin, kundi mas lalo sa mga taong ating natutulungan at napoprotektahan.
Excellence is not one big act. It's standard. Standard in preparation, standards in service, standards in integrity, standards in consistency.
Sa ating mga gintong kalasag, awardees, kayo ang nagsisilbing kalasag ng kinabukasan ng inyong mga kliyente.
The presentation of the Gintong Kalasag Award.
Being recognized as the top financial advisor in the Philippines still feels surreal and deeply humbling at the same time.
Serbisyong may integridad, may kahusayan, at pagmamahal na siyang inspirasyon sa ating industriya.
I don't think trust is built in one meeting. Trust is rather built in small moments, repeatedly, showing up consistently prepared and translating complex financial concepts into real-life impact.
PhilIA awardees, kabalikat nyo ang LUAP. Patuloy nating itaguyod ang propesyong may puso, may layunin at may malasakit para sa mas magandang kinabukasan ng bawat Pilipino.
Affluent clients can immediately sense whether you truly understand their wealth or whether you simply understand products. The real question is no longer can you sell, but can they trust you enough to become financially vulnerable with you?
Sa bawat payo na ating ibinibigay, sa bawat oras na tayo'y nakikinig, at sa bawat desisyong ating ginagabayan, ipinapakita natin ang serbisyo na higit pa sa mga kontrata at mga numero. Mabuhay ang Philippine Life Insurance Advisors! Mabuhay ang Life Underwriters Association of the Philippines!